Okay, there's a washer with tabs. Tab, tab, tab. Doesn't look like there's a tab there, and it doesn't look like there's a tab there, but there is. So there's 5 tabs. One of them is bent this way, and one of them is bent that way, and it keeps these two, there's 2 of these, keeps them from shifting. So before I remove this, which is the next step, I need to gently bend this tab back. Move this. Notice there's a really machined flat surface and then a crowned curved surface. Make sure that the machined surface goes this way against this washer. Okay, once again, the machine part goes towards the hub, always. So we'll get in and get this guy. Notice all hell wants to break loose as soon as this guy's gone. Okay, there's a little key. When this comes off, I'm going to try to cup this as much as I possibly can because this bearing's going to want to come out. I'm going to take the whole thing. I don't have to worry about the end bearing coming out because it's pressed in, and I'll show you. You really got to get under this to get this guy out. Clean out all this. Okay, we've got the bolts out. Now what we get to do is pound this off. All right, so all I'm doing is very lightly tapping right here. Okay, very lightly, and you can see it's starting to come apart. Save this, replace this. All right, now I got to put the disc on the hub. Like that. Okay, so coat the inside of the hub with grease. Make sure it's nice and thick. Now I'm going to pack the bearing. Put that bearing in. And we're going to put the seal on. I'm just going to take a old race. There you go. Okay. This on the key. Make sure it's keyed right. And this goes on. Go to 43 foot-pounds. Turn it a couple of times. And I'm going to go to 43 foot-pounds again. And you back it off till you can turn this nut by hand. Now we go 18 foot-pounds. Now I'm going to put this on. Boom. Okay. I'm going to start putting this other nut on. Okay, I'm going to go get this kind of tight first. Tighten this one to 58 foot-pounds. And now I got to take one of these and bend it out.